What is up, guys? Today we are going to talk about selling, and specifically me selling a project, or me and Marge. Hi Han. Hi Zeke. We are heading off to Prime Hills here in Talisay. It is a development by JRPDC, originally from Pagadian developers, and they have already several projects here. Prime Hills there in Talisay, and somewhere nearby is the Primera Grande, a condo development, and they also have projects Primera Grande Bantayan, somewhere up north. We were there last March, and as we talk about Prime Hills, let us show you the way going there. It's nice, isn't it? Very nice, the view is magnificent. It's all greens, and they have several house types. Very beautiful houses as well. They have Ruth townhouse, Noemi townhouse, Noemi Suites, Athalia duplex, and Savannah and Saraya single detached. Price starts at 8,000 plus per month for Noemi Suites, and they have a promo which is fully furnished upon turnover, but it is only for the Noemi Suites, the Noemi townhouse. All other model units, no promo, except for all the units have a 0 reservation. So once you get one, you start with your first equity. No reservation fee required. If you have any questions, our contact details is in the next clip. You may contact me, Marge, or Zeke. Bye, see you tomorrow.